When you think of luxury minivans, one name always stands out: the 2026 Toyota Alphard. Toyota has taken everything people loved about the previous model and refined it even further, creating a premium family vehicle that feels more like a private jet on wheels than a traditional minivan. Whether you're driving yourself or relaxing in the back seat, the new Alphard is designed to make every journey comfortable, quiet, and unforgettable. The first thing you'll notice is the bold new styling. The 2026 Alphard features an imposing front grille with an elegant chrome finish that gives it an unmistakable road presence. Sleek LED headlights blend seamlessly into the sculpted front fascia, while the clean body lines create a modern and sophisticated appearance. Large alloy wheels, power sliding doors, and stylish rear LED lighting complete the upscale design. Despite being a people mover, the Alphard manages to look premium from every angle, making it one of the most attractive luxury MPVs on the market today. Step inside, and you'll immediately understand why the Alphard has become the preferred choice for executives, celebrities, and families alike. The cabin feels incredibly spacious, with high-quality leather upholstery, soft touch materials, genuine wood style trim, and ambient lighting creating a relaxing atmosphere. Toyota has paid close attention to every detail, ensuring passengers enjoy first-class comfort. The second-row captain's chairs are the true highlight. They offer generous legroom, reclining functions, extendable ottomans, heating, ventilation, and even massage features on higher trims. Whether you're taking a short trip across town or traveling hundreds of miles, these seats make every ride feel effortless. The third row also provides ample space for adults and folds away easily when extra cargo room is needed. Technology is another major strength of the 2026 Alphard. A large touchscreen infotainment system supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, while a premium audio system delivers exceptional sound quality throughout the cabin. Multiple USB-C charging ports, wireless phone charging, digital climate controls, and a fully digital instrument cluster ensure every passenger stays connected and comfortable. Rear entertainment screens keep passengers occupied on long journeys, making family road trips much more enjoyable. Under the hood, Toyota continues to focus on smooth, efficient performance. Depending on the market, buyers can choose between an advanced hybrid powertrain and a refined gasoline engine. The hybrid system combines excellent fuel economy with quiet operation, making city driving incredibly relaxing while still providing plenty of power for highway cruising. The continuously variable transmission delivers seamless acceleration, and the suspension has been carefully tuned to absorb bumps while maintaining excellent stability. Steering feels light and precise, making this large vehicle surprisingly easy to maneuver through crowded streets and tight parking spaces. Safety remains one of Toyota's highest priorities. The latest Toyota Safety Sense package includes adaptive cruise control, lane departure alert with steering assist, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, traffic sign recognition, and a 360-degree camera system. These advanced driver assistance technologies help reduce stress while providing confidence behind the wheel for drivers of all experience levels. When it comes to pricing, the 2026 Toyota Alphard positions itself firmly in the luxury segment. While official prices vary depending on trim level and market, buyers can expect a starting price of around $55,000, with fully equipped models reaching well above $75,000. Although that may seem expensive for a minivan, the level of comfort, technology, refinement, and reliability makes it a compelling value compared to many luxury SUVs. The 2026 Toyota Alphard proves that family transportation doesn't have to sacrifice style or sophistication. It delivers outstanding comfort, cutting-edge technology, impressive efficiency, and Toyota's legendary reliability in one elegant package. If you're looking for a vehicle that transforms every drive into a first-class experience, the new Alphard deserves a place at the very top of your shopping list. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more automotive reviews and the latest vehicle updates.